Okay, YouTube. So I kind of made a mess of my closet here, but I just want to make a quick video while I'm inside. I installed these lights. Now, originally I put a motion sensor, it didn't work, so I got this. You typically see these at a liquor store. It's a reflective sensor. But I was looking for one that, normally I work with 24 volts. This one works off 120. That hole actually fits the little thing right there on the back of this, but I decided against it because where I mounted that box isn't actually a good spot. Motion sensor doesn't work because it doesn't work on all three doors. There's 3 doors in this closet. So I put reflective sensors or reflective tape. So when you move, turns on. Actually, I'm inside right now. Let me get out. Hold up. Hold on. Anyway, so the only thing I can tell you is don't do this if you are the kind of person that doesn't like to turn lights off or care for it anyway. So, as you can see, when I have the door, see how it turned off? I have it set so it turns off, but the second you do that, it turns on the light. Now this works. It won't turn on. I put a very long piece, so it has to keep going, and now it's on. But it kind of gives you a, like, because I didn't know where center was because I did it from inside the closet. But it gives you a good amount. See, you can see when it turns on. But it kind of gives you a good amount of space to justify it. Now, I didn't put a sticker on this one because I wanted to turn on pretty much all the time. In theory, I should have probably moved that light a little closer, but whatever. It's only being blocked by all these clothes, so. But yeah, that's all it is. It's a reflective sensor, and then I just put tape on the back, and that's it. The power for it's right here. There's already an outlet here, but you can pretty much run it off of anything. I have it on GFI because I also ran a wire behind there inside the bathroom. I just don't know what I'm going to do with that wire yet. Could be a speaker, could be a TV, who knows?